Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Saturday, May 2nd. Our cumulative number of confirmed cases remains at 21, and all have recovered or left the island. This means we have no active cases of COVID-19 on Kauai at this time. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. The county is allowing several of its emergency rules to expire tomorrow, Sunday, May 3rd, in part because Governor David Ige has covered most of their key points in his own statewide orders. To provide some clarity, we have enacted Mayor's Emergency Rule Number 7, which reveals pandemic rules that are still in effect despite the expirations. All the Mayor's emergency rules can be viewed at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. Two of our emergency rules remain in full effect. They cover keeping large capacity facilities closed and designating certain beach parks for houseless use only. The nightly 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. curfew also remains in effect. The new emergency rule number 7 outlines some of the other COVID-19 regulations that continue to be in effect. Rule 7 requires individuals and workers at businesses to wear face coverings and maintain at least 6 feet between individuals, except when absolutely not possible. Such businesses must have hand sanitizers available for use by employees and customers, and those employees handling customer items must use hand sanitizers frequently. Under the rule, surfaces touched frequently by customers or employees should be frequently disinfected. This includes counters, work surfaces in meal and break rooms, and vehicles. During work-related travel, residents should use both face covering and social distancing. Restaurants can continue to prepare and sell food for off-premise consumption, but on-premise consumption is not yet permitted. The rule also encourages employers to use lenient sick leave policies. Workers with any symptoms should not report to work, and anyone becoming ill at work should be sent home. And just as a reminder that the island-wide stay-at-home order remains in effect, we will also continue to keep you updated on the governor's periodic emergency proclamations. We wanted to send a special shout out to a large group of Grow Farm lessees, small farmers who donated 464 pounds of fresh produce to the Kauai Independent Food Bank. Food availability is one of the major issues faced by many in our community. This contribution and all the other community donations are helping our food banks address unprecedented demand during the coronavirus epidemic. So special thanks to all those farmers. We're going to get there, Kauai. In order to continue making forward progress, we must continue to be diligent and careful in masking, in our personal hygiene, and how we interact with one another. That means to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, keep a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you're sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. And last but not least, I'd like to give a big, huge shout out to everybody at Wilcox Hospital for getting me up and running sooner rather than later, to Dr. Rodriguez, all of the nurses, everybody that works out there at Wilcox Hospital, including Jen Chanovich. Mahalo nui loa. Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there and take care of one another. God bless and aloha.